What's up, dude?
I'm just chilling, man.
You're just chilling?
So I got this fucking awesome drink. This.
What's up, guys? We are gonna go on an adventure today.
Yep.
We're gonna go. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. We're going to the mall maybe, and then we're gonna go take some bomb-ass pictures somewhere. So yeah, we are gonna take you along today. We're gonna find out some cool stuff to do. See, here in Florida, like I said, it's miserable. It's hot.
You guys literally have palm trees with coconuts growing here.
We do, and
Yeah.
It's insane.
It's so weird. I don't have that where I'm.
I don't know. Yeah, she lives down Ocala, right? Yeah.
And technically it's up.
I was getting there. Excuse me, I was getting there. But yeah, she lives up in Ocala.
I gotta remember. I
So
gotta
she
give
came
you a
down
few
to visit
seconds.
my friend, or homie, I guess. Whatever you want to call them. I don't know at this point. Later, girl. What's up? Hey, it's not nice. Those are my viewers. So, we are out at a nature walk right now. Should be really interesting. Sadly, my camera's gonna die soon, so I might have to pick up some of the footage on my phone. But it's okay. My phone takes...
You're lucky you even have that option.
What option?
To like, that you have your phone and you could like...
Vlog off my phone? Yeah. I just wish my camera would stay charged, but it might not. Where are you going? Oh. Florida is hot. Yeah, it is really nice.
I think that moved.
Believe it or not, a while back ago, we went here on a school field trip, and I think I was in 7th grade. Yeah, we went kayaking.
Oh, that's so cool. That's what makes me want to
You lazy
He
person.
woke up during the sunrise and he's like, let's go. And I was like, no. I was like, I can't.
Get you a girl that doesn't want to see the sunrise.
I'm terrible.
This is so nice. I'm waiting for like an alligator or something, dude. Just like something. Guys, look at this insane view. It's absolutely insane. It's so nice. You know how I see how deep it is? Look at the little tadpole. Oh, really, guys? Guys, look at this insane view. Like, it's absolutely insane. It's so nice. You know how I see how deep it is? It's, look at the little tadpole. Oh, really, guys? Just look at this view. Guys, look at this. Danger. Do not feed or molest.
What?
Who would even think about molesting an alligator, though? We're like stepping on these little things.
Yeah, and it's kind of...
No, it's not.
Well...
You just make it sketchy by saying it's sketchy.
Yeah,
This view is absolutely... I keep saying it because, like, it is...
that was big as shit.
That was really loud, too.
There's a gator amongst us. Fellas.
Why did you get the accent, though? Is this your first time on camera?
What?
Is this your first time on camera vlogging?
No, I think I technically kind of might have, like, done it while I was younger without knowing that I was doing it.
By the way, this is Seneca. I didn't introduce you guys in, like, our intro.
AKA Flower.
Yeah, she calls herself Flower.
I'd rather be called Flower.
She has, like, a flower tattoo behind her ear. It's really nice. Really, really nice. hot, but like, you know, at the same
feels so
time.
nice. There's like such a nice breeze. Like it's like a breeze that comes along right when you start thinking about how hot it is.
Yeah, and then it's, oh, there it is. Yeah, it's really, really amazing. Nature is just so beautiful. Like, thumbs up if you love nature, man. But nature is just so. So we kind of decided just to sit down on these little things and just chill for a little bit. It's really nice.
It is. It is so nice.
And we are just enjoying some Florida weather right now. You know, people talk a lot of shit about Florida, saying how it's like, oh, he's hot, it never gets cold. Yeah, it never gets cold, but it's amazing.
It's November, guys. It's December.
December.
It's December. And we are sitting out here, and I'm in shorts and a t-shirt, and it's fucking great.
I'm unfortunately in jeans and a long sleeve.
Black jeans
it's
and a long sleeve.
You know what? Don't bash me. It's okay because, you know, I'm used to it. Like I said, I'm Floridian, so for me, it's still nice out. I can do this, and it's so it's okay. It's all right. Back to go get her drink.
We neglected my drink.
We left her drink there.
Now we have to give it a name.
Forgetful. We found this little spot where it's just like, it's like rocking chairs and it's under a little like tiki hut.
It's fucking awesome.
It really is. This is so relaxing.
Like epitome of really beach.
It doesn't get any better than this. I'm sorry. First, yeah, you can say, you know, everyone has their own opinions and whatnot, but like if you really like, you know, nature and whatnot, this is like the spot to go to.
Well, it would be pretty freaking amazing if it had a hammock. That's one way it could be slightly.
We should like tell them, like, hey, you guys should add a hammock in this spot.
You know you can get those ones from Walmart and they're like in a little backpack and you can just like tie them up anywhere and there you go. Exactly.
What are we doing?
We're slacking, but we're making the ideas, so that's the first step.
That is the
Of becoming
first
better.
Of becoming better inventors and adding to something that we don't even do.
And we need one of those little backpacks that have the water.
Oh, the little like.
Yeah, big official.
Yeah.
Make it time while we're going to go. So guys, what's up? He's driving right now, so I decided that I'm gonna take over this bitch for a second. We just got done with the first nature walk. Oh, we're going to the mall. Guess what we're doing? We're gonna get matching septums, guys. Yes. Yes. We don't know what kind we're gonna get yet, but it's gonna be a nice adventure.
Yeah. You can flip it back.
Like this.
Yep.
Okay, guys. You gotta bear with me because I'm trying to figure out this freaking camera. But look how beautiful it is. I wish you could like feel the breeze through the camera and through the video because it is fucking nice. It is nice. You guys would want to bottle it up and use it for later because it's just so freaking. Oh, look, we got the sunroof open. Hey, yes.
We have arrived at the mall. So things took a U-turn. So I was sitting in the car just thinking, I was like, hey, do you know how I have like double flares? And I know she wanted them. So later we're gonna go get her nose pierced.
Hey, it's gonna be great.
It is gonna be great. Shh. Nathan doesn't know. When he watches this video, he will.
Oh yeah.
And then when we see him later on, because this video probably won't go up till tomorrow.
Damn, this place is fancy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wait, stay on. Let me take a picture. Wait. Did you just snore? Oh my god.
Oh, now this is where it's at. This is the chosen one.
Oh, she's just trying out everything.
This is
Guys.
so comfy. guys.
Oh my god, look at this.
But it's white, so that's scary.
Oh yeah, it'll get dirty.
Yeah. Wait, should we take a selfie?
So, we are about to go out here.
We out here! Yay!
She's getting that double nostril pierced.
Turn up collard greens. Who's excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? Because I'm excited.
Alright.
You guys know that song. I know I'm not the only one.
You're the only one.
No, I am not.
Unfortunately, you are.
You're just too late.
I hate to break it. I hate to break it.
Whatever. When we get back in the car, guess what?
We're listening to some collard greens.
Yeah. Some turning up and some collard greens and.
Alright. You heard it first.
So it happened.
It's whoa, it's lit.
Oh my god. Dude, it's so awesome.
Shout out to this homie. She did it. I don't know your name. It's Des. Melanie. That's who it is. I'm so sorry. If you guys live in West Palm, yeah, don't touch that, dude. What are you doing, you crazy man? You did it!
Hey, look at it.
Killing the game, bro.
Fucking loving it.
Killing the game. She just killed it, dude. She took it like a champ, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, she just took them both at the same time, man.
That's what she said.
You fuck with it?
Oh god, I fucking love them. I'm so excited to put my flowers in. It's gonna look dope. Dopa!
Dopa?
Dopa!
There's a long ass train. Oh, it's short.
You were bitching about how long it was and it was ending before you even got a chance to bitch. That's so
Listen, okay? Listen.
That is so fucking funny.
Listen, don't judge it.
Judging! Judging a little.
I can tell. Freaking stoplights. Okay, we're about to get his initial reaction right now. No. Open. There you go.
Yes, because he doesn't know.
He's about to know though. He doesn't know yet. What? Just wait for it. Just waiting for it. Let's just let him.
Oh my god.
Let's see how long. Let's just see. Oh my god, he hasn't known.
What's different? No? That's what you notice.
You gotta.
Dude, that was so good. That was so good.
Whoa. It's all purple. Why is it purple?
The
It's
mark.
the marker.
Yeah, but this happened.
Okay, so